Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials. Windows 10 or 11, the Xbox app, and Game Pass for PC are up to date because compatibility matters. Once done, choose your connection method, wired USB, Bluetooth, or the Xbox wireless adapter, and plug or pair accordingly. Make sure the controller has at least 30% charge or connect a cable to avoid interruptions. This gets you into the first actionable step. Establish a stable link between controller and PC so the system can detect it immediately. Now you pair and configure. Press the controller's pairing button and open Windows Bluetooth settings. If using the wireless adapter, press its button instead. Once connected, open the Xbox Accessories app to check firmware. Updating fixes input lag and button issues, so don't skip it. Next, set the controller as default input in Windows and the Xbox app, and customize button mapping, triggers, and vibration profiles. Doing this ensures consistent controls across Game Pass titles and reduces surprises when you launch games. Finally, launch a Game Pass PC game and confirm the controller responds. Some games require controller support toggled in options, so check in-game settings. If input is intermittent, repair the controller, update Windows and driver software, or switch to a wired USB connection to isolate wireless problems. Should issues persist, use the Xbox Accessories app to reinstall or factory reset the controller firmware as a last resort. This often clears hidden config errors and restores reliable performance so you can get.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.